Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Was that an Enderman? Um, so basically what I did is I just ventured off. I finally used the map, but this way is where the house is, but I just ventured off and I found this village, and I had to check my recording, make sure it's done uploading. It was, so let's explore it together. I've only opened one door, and that was to this house. Now, because the villages are so new to me, I don't know which houses have chests and which don't. So, yeah, I don't really know. What's up, man? There is an iron golem in here. I don't know if you saw it already, but it's got nothing. Nothing. What about that over there? I see, like, bars. Might want those bars. Okay. Oh, yes. What was that? Oh, you were just doing something with that. Obsidian? I'll take that. I'll go to the nether, dude. I don't want to, but not yet. Ooh, trees. We need trees. That's why I'm collecting them down here. Gold. Dude, this village is so good. I'm just gonna keep... Yeah, that sound scares me. I'm gonna put the iron armor on right now. Heck yeah. I'm looking good. Alright, let's check more houses. I'm pretty sure that one doesn't have a chest. It's very small. Ooh, what about that house? It looks so cool. Oh, it's not a house. Wait, it might be. No, it's weird though. I like it. What is this? Whoa, this looks weird. That's so weird. It's got nothing in it, but it's very weird. I think I've explored all of it. I want that cat. Are there even ocelots anymore? Run. What's up, man? Since I've just come from that way, wonder what's this way. I want to steal your iron bars, man. I wonder if they put anything in the furnace. No, bro. What is that? I don't know, it makes weird noises. Opposite of my house. Oops. Enter. Okay, looks like there's... Where am I? I'm completely gone off the map. There's a horse, but I don't have a saddle, sadly. That's why I came into the desert. I was gonna go find a saddle in the and one maybe I don't know. Do they have one of those temples anymore? This is a very very small desert biome. Oh, I was hoping I could make that. Whoa! All of the birches of my life. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna need to get a lot of these. Hold on, I'm a lagging. Oof. There we go. Where'd we go? Oops. There we go. Yeah. There's almost no birch where I live, so I also really like birch. So I think it's my second favorite. The darkest wood and then the lightest wood are my favorite. That's weird. Okay, let's get a few more trees. And then since we're cutting down so many, once we're done, we should be able to get the stuff from them too. The wood itself is even nice to decorate your house with, not just the planks. Yay! Look at all this wood. Oh my god. I already have a stack. Ooh. Why don't they drop very many saplings? Oops, I missed one. Sticks. Oh yeah, that's a lot of saplings. Never mind. I might be able to get one more tree with this. Ooh, saplings. Yes! More saplings! We need all of the saplings. Come on. Jump. There we go. Ooh, look at those saplings. Oh no, it's getting dark. I gotta get home fast. I don't want to waste the durability. That's so funny. Look, I've never seen that before. That's hilarious. Um, just gather more of these and then we'll leave. Sadly, because I really like it here. Actually, I could just stay in the village overnight. I think I'm gonna go do that. How many? Ooh, that's a lot. I think no, I didn't. Okay, whatever. I thought I kept some iron with me so that I could remake an axe. I didn't even keep cobblestone with me. How sad. Come on. Okay. I wish I could make longer videos. I'd make 30-minute videos if I could. It costs money to do that, and um I only want to spend money on this if people actually like and watch my videos. Hey, I hope you don't mind, but I'm just gonna. Thank you. Plus, I'll make your night quicker because I'm the one sleeping. Oh, that's weird. Apparently, that made him happy. Oh my god, that's not right. I need some of this. Thank you. Skeleton! My worst enemy. But I really want their bones. Yeah. I'm just here for the cactus and clay pots. Oops. Hmm. Meow. Alright, I think it's about time I go back home. Let's take out the map and see where we are. I think we gotta go this way. Or no, I think it's this way. Let's see if that's right. Oh my god, the lag. As you can see, that weird orangish looking thing up there that's my house. See if I can see it from here. See the giant tower? Should be right around here actually. Because I passed this thing here just to get back. I don't recognize any of this. Okay, there we go. Get back home. Jump, jump. Okay. There we go. I don't need this anymore. I swear that thing has been there for a while. My giant tower. I'm gonna make that into like an actual tower. I'm gonna work on that off camera so that I don't waste you guys' time because I know that'll take a long time. Obviously, I'll give you updates on it later and later, but I just want to build like a square thing like that. It'll look nice, and then we could go inside of it, go all the way up to the top. That's awesome. And it'll work out, especially because I have so much cobblestone. It'll be good. I don't really know what to. Ooh, I want to make a fishing rod so that I can fish, but I don't know if I have any string. So I'm gonna have to kill spiders or go get cobwebs, and I don't like either. Wait. Oh wait, white wool gives you. I don't even have any. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, pretty sure wool gives you string. 4 wool gives you string, unless that was just for the UHC, but I'm pretty sure. There's stuff that I kind of threw away. I didn't want it. Rotten flesh. Wooden tools. Wooden tools are for noobs. I shouldn't have thrown away that spider spawner so quickly. Didn't really think that I would need it. Oh, laggy. I don't know. What do I do? Do I just go look for a spider? Do I go kill sheep or... Oh, or maybe I can... Maybe I could just make shears and shear sheep, but I'll do that off camera because this video is about to come to a close, sadly. That door has come in handy already. Well, guys, I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, I'll have some of that done, and I'll have, hopefully, a